Alright, so we're back on Ordo Airsoft. We're trying to fit a PolarStar jack into a Robinson Arms XCRL, and we ran into a problem where the PolarStar jack wire will need to come out of here and will go into that center hole right there on the stock input point. And we found that this connector right here will not go through that hole. So what we need to do is take off that connector. So if you've ever ran into this problem, we're going to show you how to remove these wires from that connector. Just make sure you take a picture of how the wires were put in, so that way you put in the wires the correct way. So the first step is to find something very small.
Using a needle. Basically want to pry this tab up right here so you can slide the wire out.
Alright, so once you lifted that tab up, see the tab's up, now that white wire can start to come out. And then just a reminder, you do need to do this for each wire. So now you can see the white wire just came out. So next up is the red wire, and we'll do the same thing. So just an update, we just took the red wire out. So now we're just finishing up the rest of the wires. Just make sure you don't pull too hard on those white tabs, otherwise you might do damage to the plug. And now we have all the wires out, and we have the connector disconnected, and now we should be able to fit all of the wires into our stock piece here. So just to demonstrate, all of the wires now fit in there, so we can continue with our installation. Alright, so now we're going to do a function test just to make sure that everything functions and everything is plugged in correctly. So we plugged the FCU connector to the FCU, plug the battery in, and you can see the screen is now coming out. Let her rip. And it's clicking, indicating the solenoid is moving. So it looks like we have success.